Shikinaen, the Royal Gardens of Naha, were constructed at the end of the 18th century as a second residence for the kings of the Ryukyu. It features beautiful, yet relatively simple wooden palace buildings, with an Okinawan-style red roof and a spacious Japanese-style landscape garden, all surrounding a central pond. While the garden is designed in the style that's seen elsewhere in Japan, the architecture and the flora give Shikinaen a uniquely Okinawan flavour. An entrance fee of 400 yen will get you inside. From there, a 300-metre path takes you through the forest and around the pond, all the way to the palace buildings themselves. Closed only on Wednesdays, Shikinaen is open from 9 AM till 6 PM.